In this video, we will examine the use of the Salience model for stakeholder analysis. Let's first understand what is salience. Salience essentially means importance or prominence. It's the quality of something standing out, being noticeable, or capturing attention. The key words from the definition of salience are standing out, noticeable, and capturing attention. So when we think about the Salience model, you need to think about three particularly noticeable attributes of stakeholders. And these three attributes are power, urgency, and legitimacy. Power refers to the ability of a stakeholder to influence the outcome of a project. Urgency is a measure of how much immediate attention the stakeholder demands and how unacceptable a delay in response action is to the stakeholder. Legitimacy indicates how much of a right the stakeholder has to make requests of the project. We will now use this diagram to map 7 types of stakeholders. The way to remember the 7 types is that they all begin with the letter D. We will first look at the power, urgency, and legitimacy sectors on the diagram, without any overlaps on each other. When stakeholders have power with little or no urgency or legitimacy, they will not likely become heavily involved in the project, and therefore we can categorize them as dormant stakeholders. When stakeholders have a level of urgency with little or no power and legitimacy, they will most probably want things to be addressed immediately, and therefore we can categorize them as demanding stakeholders. For stakeholders who have legitimacy with little or no power and urgency, they will most probably not exert much pressure on the project and therefore are categorized as discretionary stakeholders. We will now look at where the 3 attributes of power, urgency, and legitimacy overlap. Let's start with the middle sector where all 3 characteristics intersect. The stakeholders in this sector are categorized as definitive stakeholders. They have power, urgency, and legitimacy. They are, therefore, the most important stakeholders. Project managers must prioritize these stakeholders above all others. Stakeholders who possess power and urgency but do not have legitimacy to their claims are considered dangerous stakeholders. This combination of power and urgency makes them crucial for the success of the project even though they are not directly involved in the project. As a project manager, you must meet their needs and keep them engaged and satisfied. Stakeholders who possess power and have legitimacy on the project are categorized as dominant stakeholders. They have legitimate stakes in the project and also possess the power to act on those stakes. The project manager needs to actively engage these stakeholders. Stakeholders who have legitimacy and urgency attributes are categorized as dependent stakeholders. They don't have power, and to uphold their interests, they need to rely on other powerful stakeholders. The project manager must be mindful that though they lack power, they can form coalitions with other stakeholders and achieve power. In summary, the Salience model helps to identify who or what really counts. The model emphasizes the need to pay attention to stakeholders in an appropriate manner according to their salience in the project. If you have found this video useful and would like more videos like this, please visit pmstudies.com. We also provide one-on-one and online class training for PMP, CAPM, and ACP exams. We are adding new videos every week. Please click on the subscribe button shown below to be informed when we add a new video. The playlist shown below gives you a list of related videos to watch. Thank you for watching this video.